In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a calendar event Microsoft Outlook New. This is a very helpful feature that can save you time when managing your schedule, especially if you often create similar events or need to repeat appointments without starting from scratch each time. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer or device. Once the application is running, make sure you are signed in so you can access all of your emails, contacts, and calendar entries without any issues. Outlook is widely used for organizing daily tasks, and having it ready ensures a smooth process from start to finish. After opening the app, navigate to the Calendar section. You can do this by locating the calendar icon, which is typically found along the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking this icon will switch your view from your inbox or other sections directly into your calendar, where all your scheduled events are displayed. Next, browse through your calendar and locate the specific event you want to copy. Take your time to find the correct entry to avoid duplicating the wrong one. Once you've found it, move your mouse over the event and right-click on it. This action will open a context menu that provides several options for managing that event. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Duplicate Event and click on it. When you select this option, Outlook will instantly create a copy of the selected event, including all the details such as the title, time, and any notes associated with it. This is particularly useful when you have meetings or tasks that share similar information but occur on different days. Once the event has been duplicated, it will appear on your calendar. At this point, you can open the copied event and make any necessary adjustments, such as changing the date, time, or other details to better fit your schedule. This step ensures that the new event aligns properly with your plans, and that's all there is to it. Copying a calendar event in Outlook is a quick and efficient way to manage repeated or similar appointments without extra effort. It helps keep your schedule organized while reducing the time spent creating events manually. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.